Ramayana Yagya, Ramayana Satsang, that is being held to commemorate the 22nd anniversary of the consecration of all the murtis, all the deities in the temple, and Hanuman. And Panaji has been doing different pujas, Guru Paduka Puja. We did Sarva Devata Homa for all the deities this evening. And last week we also did some special pujas. And now we want to listen to our esteemed Vyasa, Pandit Kemraj Vyas. Pandit Kemraj Vyas has a very long association with us. And we remember 24 years ago, 24 years ago, that's a long time, 2001 thereabouts, when we first set about transforming this ashram into the present look that you see it, South Indian look. And when the Sankalp was taken by His Holiness Sri Swamiji to have the Hanuman Murti constructed, we thought that the public, we should let the public be aware of what we were doing. And the President and myself and some other devotees, we decided to arrange a monthly Ramayana Satsang, and preceding that, we said we'll do a 7 nights or 9 nights Ramayana, which we did in March, the Easter time of 2001. And subsequent to that, every month and for over 2 years, Pandit Kemraj led the group of Pandits that will come here on the last Saturday in every month, just as we have a special last Saturday with Panchamukha Hanuman. We have the last Saturday in every month where we had Ramayana Satsang, and we set about to give information and publicity to what we were going to embark on. Other Pandits came, but Pandit Kemraj remained close to us, very close to us over the years, and then over the years, well, you know, he moved on and so on. But 24 years is a long time. And Panditji, we want to play special homage to you on this, the 22nd anniversary of Hanuman Murti and the deities in the ashram. And, you know, 2 years ago, he had a very special experience with His Holiness Sri Swamiji, which we will not talk about now. It's very special to him. And we thought that to do this Sundarkan, to read the holier deeds of Hanumanji, Panditji will come at least do 3 nights. On another occasion, we may have 5 nights or 7 nights. So we welcome Panditji. Our President will present a mala to him, and then we'll start the proceedings. Panditji will speak and do Ramayana Arti.
Om Namo Brahmadevaya Go Brahmanataya Jagadadaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah. प्रेम से बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय. Ramesh ji, you want to say a few words? Okay. So my dear devotees, shall we all stand as we go into our initial arti? Devendra Mauli Mandara Makaranda Kanaruna Vignan Harantu Heramba Charanambo Jarenavam. Om Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Om Tat Purushaya Vidmahe Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Rudra Prachodayat. कालिटा कीराटि कालिटा ललित सिया ललित सिया की आरती श्री रामायण गावत ब्रह्मादिक मुनि नारद गावत ब्रह्मादिक मुनि नारद ज्ञान विशारद आरती श्री रामायण संतत गावत शंभु भवानी संतत गावत शंभु भवानी अरुघत संभव मुनि विज्ञान आरती श्री रामायण आरती श्री रामायण जी की आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कलित ललित सिया की आरती श्री रामायण चारे वेद पुराण अष्टदश चारे वेद पुराण अष्टदश छवो शास्त्र सब ग्रंथन कोरस आरती श्री रामायण आरती श्री रामायण जी की आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कलित ललित सिया की आरती श्री रामायण कलिमलहर निवेशय रस पीकी कलिमलहर निवेशय रस पीकी सुभग श्रृंगार मोती युवती की आरती श्री रामायण आरती श्री रामायण जी की आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कलित ललित सिया की आरती श्री रामायण कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले आना प्रभु जी चले आना। कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले आना प्रभु जी चले आना। चले आना प्रभु जी चले आना। चले आना प्रभु जी चले आना। तुम राम रूप में आना। तुम राम रूप में आना। तुम राम रूप में आना। तुम राम सीता साथ लेके धनुष हाथ लेके चले आना प्रभु जी चले आना। कभी राम बन के वो चले आना प्रभु जी चले आना। कभी दुर्गा बन के कभी काली बन के चले आना मैया जी चले आना। कभी दुर्गा बन के कभी काली बन के चले आना मैया जी चले आना। तुम दुर्गा रूप में आना। तुम दुर्गा रूप में आना। तुम दुर्गा कपर हाथ लेके सिंह साथ लेके चले आना मैया जी चले आना। कभी दुर्गा बन के कभी काली बन के चले आना मैया जी चले आना। हरे हरे कृष्णा हरे मुरारी हरे हरे कृष्णा हरे मुरारी हरे हरे कृष्णा हरे मुरारी जय जय गोवर्धन गिरिधारी जय जय गोवर्धन गिरिधारी। राम नाम लड्डू गोपाल नाम जी हरि नाम श्री को बोल बोल भी बोलो। राम नाम लड्डू गोपाल नाम जी हरि नाम श्री को बोल बोल भी। हरे रामा राम रामा हरे हरे। हरे रामा राम रामा हरे हरे। राम राम हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। प्रेम से बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की पवन सुत हनुमान की उमापति महादेव की वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की आदि शक्ति देवी की गणपति गणेश भगवान की सच्च सनातन धर्म की सकल पंथी जय जय सीताराम। Do take your seats, my dear devotees. As you do so, let me take this opportunity again to extend to all of you a very, very special welcome to what is certainly a very special 3 nights of devotion. 3 nights of a katha dedicated to Pavanaput Hanuman, as this organization celebrates 22nd anniversary of its existence. Indeed, certainly a wonderful milestone for any organization. It reminds me too that our organization is celebrating around the same 22 years, although we have started construction some time ago. It is indeed a very commendable effort on behalf of this organization to organize this Hanuman Yajna. Of course, everyone refers to this temple as the Hanuman temple, although it is Datta Yoga Center, but Hanumanji is synonymous with this wonderful organization. And you have all come out tonight to join in celebration of this wonderful occasion. Thank you, Prag, for your wonderful introduction. Of course, I was here since 25 years ago. I don't know why they chose me. 25 years ago, I was a lot younger than I am now, but I guess it is the grace of Swamiji and the blessings of the Supreme that I am here. To all of you, very, very special welcome, and again, commendations to the management of this beautiful mandir. To members of the group who are here, drummer, thank you all so much for joining me. It is your first time with me, I think, but you're already doing very, very well. Thank you so very much. So at this time, my dear friends, we take a few moments for reflection, a few moments of contemplation. Just lower the organ mic a little bit from low. Okay. Yeah. We clasp our hands, we close our eyes, we bow our heads as we adopt that posture of prayer, when the head, the hands, and the heart all meet in that ultimate gesture of humility. Tonight, we submit ourselves at the lotus-like feet of Pavanaputra Hanumanji, the Divine Lord Prabhu Shri Ram Chandraji, whatever may be that form of the Supreme Being that is nearest and dearest to you. Ekam sad vipraha bahuda vadanti. God is but one, called by many different names, worshipped on the altars of all. To that Supreme Being we submit ourselves. Beloved Lord, thank you for this opportunity to come and join with members of this organization as we sit in satsang, to listen to your glories, to sing of your praises. Thank you for the many ways in which you have blessed us. May your benevolent gaze, protective hands be upon us all, now and always. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Shri Guru Charana Kamale Yo Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya. As I chant Ramayana Sumiran, I invite all of you to chant Om Shri Hanumate Namaha. Jehi Sumirat Siddhi Hoy, Gananayaka Karivara Vadanam, Karau Anugraha Soy, Buddhi Rashi Shubha Guna Sadanam, Mukha Hoyi Vacha, Pangu Charai Giri Varaganam, Jasu Kripa Sudaya, Dravau Sakala Kali Maladanam, Nila Saror Sham, Taruna Aruna Barijanayana, Karau Sumama Urdham, Sadakshira Sagara Shayanam, Kunda Indu Samadeham, whose body is as white as the jasmine flower, Umaramana Karuna Ayanam, who sports delightfully with Ma Shakti Devi. Jahi Deen Paraneha, to whom the meek, the weak, the fallen are very near and dear. May that Shivji Bhagwan continue to bless us. Kunda Indu Samade Umaramana Karunayana Jahi Dina Parane Karau Kripa Bandao Guru Padakanja. We pay prostrations onto the lotus-like feet of Shri Guruji Maharaj, whose words are likened onto the rays of the sun that dispels the darkness born out of ignorance from our minds. To Shri Guruji Maharaj, salutations, prostrations again and again. Bandava Guru Sindhu Nara Rupari Mahamoha Tamapun Jasu Vachana Ravi Kara. Together we all chant Shri Guru Charana Saroja Raja Nija mana mukura sudhari Varanau raghuvara Vimala yasham Jodayaka phalachari Buddhihina tanu janike Sumiro Pavana Kumar Bala Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Harahu Kalesha Vikar Syavar Ramachandra Ki Jai Sharanam Natha Mama Sankata Haro Hari Pawan Putra Hanuman Ki. Before we go into Katha, my dear friends, we lift our voices as we join in beautiful little bhajan, not very long, just one or two verses. We have all been invited to attend this yajna. But even before we were invited, my dear friends, the Devtas were invited to come to join in this yajna. And so, my dear friends, tonight, with that elaborate puja havan being done outside, I'm sure the different manifestations of divinity have come to join with us. Nachat aaye Ganapati Ananda Raje Govinda Radhe. Who is coming? Nachat aaye Ganapati. Lord Ganapati Shri Ganesh Bhagwan, remover of difficulties, obstacles, granter of success. He is coming. He is coming. Nachat aaye Ganapati Ananda Raje Govinda Radhe. Nachat aaye Ganapati Ananda Raje Govinda Radhe. Govinda Radhe, Govinda Radhe, Govinda Radhe, Govinda Radhe, Govinda Radhe,
Govinda Radhe, Govinda Radhe.
Nachat aaye Ganapati Ananda Raje Govinda Radhe.
Nachat aaye Ganapati Ananda Raje Govinda Radhe.
Who else is coming among the Devtas? Brahma bhi aaye, Vishnu bhi aaye.
Brahma bhi aaye, Vishnu bhi aaye.
Oh, Brahma bhi aaye, Vishnu bhi aaye.
Brahma bhi aaye, Vishnu bhi aaye.
Sangam mein aaye Saraswati Ananda Raje Govinda Radhe. Nachat aaye Ganapati Ananda Raje Govinda Radhe. Nachat aaye Ganapati Ananda Raje Govinda Radhe. Govinda Radhe, Ganapati Ganesh Bhagwan ki jai. My dear devotees, our katha tonight based on Hanumanji, of course, but not taken from Sundarkand. Actually, it is taken from the end of the volume before Kiskindha Kand, and it goes into Sundarkand. Specially chosen because as Hanuman leaps across the ocean, as we see, our katha will take us across from Kiskindha Kand into Sundarkand. The scene is set at the seashore. Jambavant, together with an entire battalion, they have come, they are in search of Sita Devi. They have met with some party, that vulture, who indicates unto them that Sita Devi, that lost Vedvati Roop Sita, we must emphasize, not the real Sita, Hanumanji. The real Sita, she was placed in the fire on caretaking. It was the Vedvati Roop Sita that was abducted. And so the Jambavant and the others, they were told that Sita is in Lanka. Who is going to go across, my dear friends? He who is strong and powerful enough to leap across that ocean, to search for Sita Devi, overcome the many difficulties and the obstacles, defeat the Rakshasas and so forth, and return, that will be the one who is successful. Many indicated the extent of their strength, my dear devotees. Jambavant even said that when I was young, when that divine Lord manifested himself, Vaman, and he took that huge avatar, I was able to circumambulate him 7 times very easily. Now I am old. Angad says, I can go across, but I cannot come back. So they have all described the limits of their strength. And so, my dear friends, Jambavant looks in the distance, and there he sees Hanumanji. He is seated very quietly, his eyes are closed. He is reflecting upon Prabhu Sri Ramchandraji. And so, my dear friends, I want you to see Jambavant in the form of a bear that is standing, and you can see him walking like this on the seashore. He is approaching Hanumanji. And as he approaches Hanumanji, my dear friends, he speaks to Hanuman. Shri Rama Jai Rama, Shri Rama Jai Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Jai Rama, Shri Rama, Jai Jai Rama. Tahari Chapati Sunu Hanumana, Tha chup sadi raha balwana, raha balwana. Shri Rama, Pavan Tanaya Rama, Pavan Tanaya Bala Pavan Samana, Bodhi Viveka Vijnana, Nidhana Ram Nidhana, Nidhana. Shri Ram, kaun so kaaj Rama, 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 कौन सो काज कठिन जग माई कठिन जग माई जो नहीं चाहत होत तुम पाई होत तुम पाई श्री राम
Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama.
Jambavant approaches Hanumanji. All the other bears and monkeys, they are following Jambavant. Jambavant is now standing, looking down at Hanumanji, and he speaks to Hanumanji. कहा धीचपति सुनो हनुमाना तब ऋचपति बोले सुनो महावीर जी तुम इतने बलवान हो के कैसे चुप बैठे हो ओ हनुमान जी you are so strong and you are so powerful. Everyone else has described the limits of their strength, the limits of their capability. How is it you, so strong and powerful, you are seated there quietly? Tum Pavanaputra ho. Have you forgotten who you are? Now, my dear friends, Jambavant is reminding Hanumanji, you are the son of Pavana Devta. Is Karan, tumme Pavan ke saman bal hai. And as a result of this, you have such immeasurable strength as your father, Pavan Devta. Bal mein buddhi vivek vigyan ke ghar ho, Hanumanji. Let me tell you, you are the repository of a strength. Bal, buddhi, you are the epitome of wisdom. You are the ocean of vigyan. You are the ocean of vigyan, as it were. Many different translations to that. Hanumanji, have you forgotten who you are? This is very important, my dear friends. This is indeed a critical point in this katha, in the charitra of Hanumanji. He is reminded of who he is. A very important lesson for all of us, my dear friends. Never ever forget who we are. We are the children of the rishis, my dear friends. The many great saints and sages who have lived before, who have shaped this world, who have shaped the Sanatan Dharma, who have shaped the civilization to what it is today, my dear devotees. We are the descendants of them. And tonight, I must say, I'm very proud of all of you here. You are carrying the flag of Sanatan Dharma. You are living in the footsteps of your foreparents. Hanumanji, your father was the embodiment of strength. Of course, think of the time of a hurricane, my dear friends. Think of the immense damage that the power and the strength of that hurricane can do. And, and mind you, that is only a hurricane. At the times of dissolution, 49 different types are released. Types of winds are released. And that creates a total, absolute destruction of the entire universe. Hanumanji, you possess that kind of strength. Why are you seated so quietly? You can easily go across there. Know who you are, my dear friends. For all of us, know who you are. Never ever forget from whence you have come. And always endeavor to strive to continue along the path that our foreparents have laid out. Hanumanji, you are Buddhi Viveka Vijnana Nidhana. Buddhi, how often do we sing? Bala Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Harahu Kalesha Vikar. Yes, my dear friends, he is the towering figure of strength. Bal, Buddhi, he is the foremost amongst the wise. Atulita Baladhamam. And there's a part that says, Jnaninam Agraganyam. You are the foremost amongst the wise. Hanumanji, recognize this. Vivek, discretion, Vigyan, spiritual knowledge. You are embodiments of all of these. Have you forgotten who you are? Yes, my dear friends. Hanumanji has forgotten who he is as at this time. How is it? When he was a child and he was blessed with such immense strength, then little children, my dear friends, will do a lot of mischief. And so when he walks around the banks of the rivers, he sees the saints and sages in meditation take their shaligram, murtis, throw it in the water and all of these, causing them a lot of distress. And then the saints, my dear devotees, they pronounce a shrap upon him. That strength and power that you possess, you're unable to control this. May you forget that strength that you possess until such time as you are reminded of your strength and you are reminded of the purpose of your mission here upon earth. May you forget that. And so that at this time, my dear friends, Jambavant, he is fully aware that Hanumanji has forgotten his. But he says to Hanumanji, Kauna so kaja kathina jagamahi. Kauna so kaja kathina jagamahi. Jo nahi tat hoi tum pahi. Hanumanji, what task is there that is too difficult for you to achieve? In this world, Kauna so kaja kathina jagamahi. In this entire world, what task is there? Jo nahi tat hoi tum pahi, which you cannot easily accomplish. And of course, my dear friends, it is Jambavant is reminding Hanuman of his immeasurable strength. We are already familiar with the glories of Pavanaput Hanumanji, and of course, we are aware that Hanumanji, there is nothing which he cannot achieve, nothing which he cannot accomplish. Hanumanji, he is reminded of that strength. No, my dear friends, we too possess that bal, physical strength, not like Hanuman, within our own limitations. We too possess that buddhi, the intellectual powers, and we too are capable of achieving. If only, my dear friends, we can find our right calling, if only we can strive to reach that state of perfection. Never ever forget who you are, and of course, my dear friends, never remain dormant like Hanuman. Do not await for someone else to awaken us. Do not, there might be very few, if any, who will come to you and encourage you to rise and to achieve your purpose in life. And so, my dear friends, Hanumanji, he is here, he is listening to what Jambavant is saying. And you know, maybe like a little child, he is looking at Jambavant. Are you talking about me? Bal, Buddhi, Vivek, me? I am not aware that I possess all of that. And Jambavant, he knows, my dear friends, Hanumanji has forgotten. And so he says, Tava utapati ava kahau saheta sunau sakal baite ihireta. Hanumanji, you listen. I will relate unto you those circumstances surrounding your birth and your childhood activities. And I will remind you of your purpose. We will not go into the birth of Hanumanji, my dear friends, but suffice it to say, we know of those circumstances. We are also aware that Hanumanji, he attempted to devour the sun. He was struck down, and when he was struck down, Vayu Devta, he withheld the winds. All life was suffocating. The Devtas pleaded with him, bless my son. They all blessed him. A baby, but he couldn't handle all of that blessing, my dear friends, until he's reminded of the circumstances of his birth, childhood activities, and his purpose. And so Jambavant, my dear friends, reminds him of his childhood of his birth, his childhood activities. And then, my dear friends, the most important statement that Jambavant makes, my dear friends, that causes a massive transformation, we hear in this Chaupai. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai Jai Rama. Ram काज लगी तव अवतारा राम काज लगी तव अवतारा सुनत ही भयउ पर्वत आकारा श्री राम जय राम जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम कनक वर्ण तनु तेज विराजा मानहु अपर गिरिन कर राजा श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम सिंहनाद करिबारहि बारा लीलहि लांघव जल निधि धारा श्री राम जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम सहित सहाय रावण मारी आनवय त्रिकूट उपारी श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम and having related the beautiful episodes surrounding the birth and childhood activities of Hanumanji, now Jambavant looking at Hanumanji, directly at him, and he says, Hanumanji, Ram kaj lagi tava avatara. Hanumanji, Ram kaj lagi tava avatara. Hanumanji, have you forgotten the purpose for your descent upon earth? Who was Hanumanji, my dear friends? None other than a manifestation of the Ekadash Rudra, Shri Shivji Bhagavan. Hanumanji, why did you descend upon earth? You descended upon earth to be of service to Prabhu Shri Ramchandraji. Your avatar is to be of service to Prabhu Shri Ramchandraji. Ramakaj lagite avatara. These words of Jambavant, my dear friends, they started to reverberate in every single pore of Hanumanji. Ramakaj lagi avatara, Ramakaj lagi avatara, Ramakaj lagi avatara. Hanumanji, your purpose here, your mission on earth is to serve Prabhu Shri Ramchandraji. And with every such vibration in his body, my dear friends, what is happening? Hanumanji, my dear friends, he begins to grow. His size begins to increase. If we want to think of Hanumanji, my dear friends, some people conceptualize him as a monkey. Okay, so let us take that for example tonight. Imagine that a monkey, as we say, of diminutive size, starts growing. It is becoming bigger and bigger. It is growing in size, it has become large. It has become huge. It has become majestic, gigantic. As all the bears and monkeys, they are now looking up into the heavens to see the form of Hanumanji. He grew to such colossal form, my dear friends, that looking down, even though the bears and monkeys there, they were probably looking like tiny dots. There is Hanumanji, my dear friends. And in that form there, my dear friends, Goswami Tulsidasa saw that form in his mind and he took a note of it. And immediately he wrote a description of that. And what is the verse he wrote? Atulita baladhamam swarna shailavadeham danujavana krishanum jnaninamagraganyam sakala guna nidhanam vanaranamadhisham raghupati priya bhaktam vatajatam namami. What is the form that he saw? Atulita baladhamam, that form of Hanumanji of immeasurable strength. Jnaninamagraganyam, of Atulita baladhamam swarna shailavadeham, his body shone as a mountain of gold. Danujavana krishanum, he, Hanumanji, is likened onto the fire that will destroy the forest of the evil ones. Jnaninamagraganyam, the foremost of all. Raghupati Priya Bhaktam, that beloved devotee of Prabhu Shri Ramchandra Ji, I pay my prostrations unto him. And Tulsidas, my dear friends, he sees this colossal form and he pays obeisance to it. Hanumanji, my dear friends, he looks down at them. O Jambavant, as he looks down at them, Singhanada Karibara Hivara. Well, you know, my dear friends, it is said that a monkey will chatter. But he was so huge, so colossal, that he did not chatter, my dear friends. He roared as thunderously as a lion. Singhanad, like a lion. And we know only too well in the forest when the lions will roar, of course, all animals seek shelter. Hanumanji, again and again he roars, Leela hilanghava jalanidhikara. O Jambavant, is it this tiny ocean that you are talking about? Is this what you are seeking someone to leap across? Jambavant, Leela hilangho. In sport, I can go across this salty ocean as it was. This is indeed. And you know, later in Ramayana we will come across a very nice, in Sundarkan, we'll come across a very beautiful illustration. I'll refer that back to this. I will go across this very easily. Sahita Sahaya Ravana Himari. I will bring us an end to Ravan. I will destroy Ravan. I will destroy all the evil ones. Anavayaha Trikuta Upadi. I will even lift that Trikuta Parvata upon which Lanka is built, and I will bring that onto you. Is this my mission? Is this what am I expected to do? And then, my dear friends, Jambavant, he looks at Hanumanji and he says, Jambavant, oh Hanuman, no. You are not to destroy Ravan. Our Lord Prabhu Shri Ramchandra Ji has manifested himself for that. You are not to uproot that Trikut Upari, that Trikut Parvat, that mountain on which Lanka is built. You are not even to bring Sita Devi when you meet her. Instead, this is your role. Jahanumanta Koja Karmilanka Pataka Hasite Akar Bata De Jahanumanta खोज कर मिलंका पताका हसीते आकर बता दे जा हनुमंता. Oh Hanuman, you go into Lanka, pataka hasite, find the whereabouts of Sita Devi, akar bata de. Return with news of Sita Devi. Let us inform Prabhu Shri Ramchandra Ji of the whereabouts of Sita Devi. Pavana Sutta Tuma Vijnana ke Sagar Anjani Putra Tuma Sab Gun Agar Maruti Nandanam संकट मोचन पताका हसी के आकर बता because the poet says, Vijnana ke sagar, spiritual knowledge embodied. Hanumanji, you are capable, Maruti Nandan, son of the wind, Sankata Mochan, redeemer of difficulties, obstacles. Go to Lanka, find the whereabouts of Sita Devi, return with news of Sita. कौन सो काज भाई तुमसे न होई, राम काज भाई पूरन आई, तू ही वो वीर हे महावीर, पताका हंसी के And so, my dear friends, Jambavant, he instructs Hanumanji. As Jambavant himself says, Jambavant mai pucho to hi uchita sikhao na dijiye mohi. Please tell me exactly what do I have to do. And so this is explained to Hanumanji. Hanumanji, go into Lanka, search for Sita Devi, return with the welfare. And so it was, my dear friends, at this time, my dear friends, Hanumanji, he is getting set to leap across that ocean. And as Hanumanji is getting across to leap across that ocean, we too are getting set to turn the pages to go across into the next volume of Ramayana. What happens from here? With your permission, I will conclude. We want to conclude at 8:30, so that tomorrow everybody will be here. Prince Shri Pavanaputta Hanuman ki jai. But we are not going into concluding prayers right now. Before we go, this is 3 nights dedicated to Hanumanji. So I will ask members of the group to sing what? Hanuman Chalisa. Are you going to sing it? All right, so we go over to them. They will sing Hanuman Chalisa. Then we are going to have thoughts or reflection by member of the organization. Then we will go into conclusion. So we'll be finishing near to 8:45, 9 o'clock. Yeah, sure.
श्री गुरु चरणा सरोज रजा निज मनु मुकुर सुधारी वरनो रघुवर विमल यशा जो दायक पलचारी बोधिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार राम 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 जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर राम दूत तुलित बल रामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम ईश्वर भई सब जग जाना युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर बल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मिली मुख माही जल दिलांगी गए अचरज नाई दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगमानुग्रह तुम्हारे देते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होतन आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख ले तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज समारो आपे तीनों लोक हाकते कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नाशै रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन पर पावे चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा है परसिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुवर पुर जाए जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाए और देवता चिंतन करे हनुमत से सर्व सुख करे संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलवीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई यह शतवार पाठ कर जोई छूटई बंदी महा सुख होई जो यहाँ पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होए सिद्धि साखी गौरी सा तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा की जय नाथ हृदय महारेरा पावन तनया संकट हरणा मंगल मूर्ति रूपा राम लखन सीता सहिता हृदय बसहु सुरभूप सियापति रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय
Pawan Putra Hanuman ki jai. I'm surprised that I'm still seated on this Singhasan. I was almost blown off by such a wonderful rendition. Daughter, you have sung so really, really, really beautiful. I'm sure Hanumanji would have listened with very attentively to your praise. Give her a beautiful round of applause. So at this time, my dear friends, we are going to go into our concluding arti over there. So we will be led by the group will sing the arti. You want to do the closing prayer now? No? Okay, closing prayer and then arti. All right, so my dear, I think somebody will make a few comments. Yeah.
No comments. The group will remain here. When Baba finishes your closing prayer, devotees can go across to the hall.
So, shall we all stand, my dear devotees, as we go into our concluding mantras and benediction. यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं च यद्भवेत् पूर्णं भवतु तत्सर्वं प्रसीद परमेश्वर हरि ओम बेनेडिक्शन यंत्रोद्धारक नामको रघुपते राज्ञां गृहीत्वार्णवं तीर्त्वा शोकवने स्थितां स्वजननीं सीतानिशां याशुगम् कृत्वा संविदमङ्गुलीयकमिदं दत्त्वा शिरोभूषणं सङ्गृह्यार्णव उत्पत्पात हनुमान् कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलम् कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलम्. Let us all join Tvameva Mata. Tvameva Mata च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्यां द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम एव देव. ॐ शान्ति 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 हरि ओम तत्सत्. ब्रह्मार्पणमस्तु. श्री विष्णवे नमः. श्री विष्णवे नमः. श्री विष्णवे नमः. प्रेम से बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की, पवन पुत्र हनुमान की, उमापति महादेव की, आदि शक्ति देवी की, गणपति गणेश भगवान की, वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की, सर्वदेवता सर्वदेवी की जय. सकल पंच की जय जय. सीताराम. Yeah, sure. Let me just. I get the impression that you didn't want me to finish yet. I feel like you didn't want me to finish yet.
मन्त्रप्रमाणं मन्त्रेकवेद्यं मन्त्रस्वरूपं भजदतं. मन्त्रप्रमाणं मन्त्रेकवेद्यं मन्त्रस्वरूपं भजदतं. मन्त्रार्णरूपं मन्त्रार्थगोपं मन्त्रप्रदीपं भजदतं. मन्त्रप्रमाणं
मन्त्रैकवेद्यं मन्त्रस्वरूपं भजदातं.
द्राम्बीजवासं दारिद्र्यनाशं दयानिवेशं भजदतं. सदक्षरेशं सम्पत्प्रकाशं योगोपदेशं भजदतं. योगोपदेशं भजदतं. मन्त्रप्रमाणं
मन्त्रैकवेद्यं मन्त्रस्वरूपं भजदातं.
अष्टार्णवेद्यं भवरोगवेद्यम् आनन्दहृद्यं भजदतं. द्वादशवर्णम् आनन्दपूर्णं योगोत्तीर्णं भजदतं. योगोत्तीर्णं भजदतं.
मन्त्रप्रमाणं मन्त्रैकवेद्यं मन्त्रस्वरूपं भजदातं.
षोडशबीजं गुरुराजराजं कैवल्यभाजं भजदतं. दत्तात्रेयं कृष्णं हरितं उन्मत्तरूपं भजदतं. उन्मत्तरूपं भजदतं.
मन्त्रप्रमाणं मन्त्रैकवेद्यं मन्त्रस्वरूपं भजदातं.
आनन्ददायकमुनिबालरूपं पिशाचवेषं भजदतं. विशुद्धज्ञानसागरमीशं सच्चिदानन्दं भजदतं. सच्चिदानन्दं भजदतं
प्रमाणं मन्त्रैकवेद्यं मन्त्रस्वरूपं भजदतं
प्रमाणं
मन्त्रैकवेद्यं मन्त्रस्वरूपं भजदतं
भजदतं भजदतं भजदतं श्री गणेशाय नमः श्री सरस्वती नमः श्रीपादवल्लभ नरसिंह सरस्वती श्री गुरुदत्तात्रेयाय नमः सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु दत्तं भज भज भक्ता षोडशावतार रूप दत्तं भजदे भक्ता महिषपुरवास श्रीकालग्निशमन दत्तं प्रोढतुरुग्रामवास योगिराजवल्लभं बेङ्गलूरुनगरस्थित दत्त योगिराजम् अनन्तपुरे स्थितं ज्ञानसागरं भज दत्तं विजयवाड विलसितं श्यामकमललोचनं मछलीपट्टनसंस्थितम् अत्रिवरदराजं जयलक्ष्मीपुरे संस्कारहीन शिवरूपं मत्र सुनगर संवासम आदि गुरुनामकं ऋषिकेशतीर्थराजं श्रीदिगंबर दत्तं आकिवेदुस्तं विश्वंभरावधूत दत्तं नूसिवेदुपतने देवदेव अवतारं भाग्यनगरस्थं दत्तावधूतं भज गण्डिगुण्ट जनपदे दत्त दिगंबर देवं कुच्चिनगरे स्थितं सिद्धराजनामकं मायामुक्त अवधूत मंचरपाके लीला विश्वंवरं सूरनगरे भज सच्चिदानंद जन्मस्थले दत्त काशीश्वरं समुद्रतीरे दत्त रामेश्वरं सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु दत्तं भज भज भक्ता षोडशावतार रूप दत्तं भजरे भक्ता दत्तं भजरे भक्ता राजेशी दोला दोला दोला
राजेशी दोला
दोला दोला श्रीरंजनी दोला
दोला दोला श्रीरंजनी दोला
भाले एही आया ही दोला भाले एही
आया ही दोला
दोला
दोला राजेशी दोला
निद्रा रूपा आराधेहि निद्रा
रूपा आराधेहि जाग्रत रूपा जगायाहि जाग्रत रूपा जगायाहि दोला दोला राजेशी दोला 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 श्रीरंजनी दोला बाले ही आया ही दोला दोला दोला
राजेशी दोला यातायातं मधिकार्यं
यातायातं मधिकार्यं निष्कम्पात्वं सच्चिदानन्दा निष्कम्पात्वं सच्चिदानन्दा दोला दोला राजेशी दोला 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 श्रीरंजनी दोला बाले ही आया ही दोला 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 राजेशी दोला राजेशी दोला राजेशी दोला त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव वेद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियेर्वा पुण्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभाव करोमि यज्ञं सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि अच्युतं केशवं राम नारायणं श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे सर्वे च सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे प्रदानि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् श्री गणेशाय नमः श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः श्री पार्वल्लभा नरसिंहा सरस्वती श्री गुरुदत्तात्रेयाय नमः
जय जय श्री माता को जय 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 श्री गुरुदेव